Right, I'm gonna have to go running now, otherwise I'm just never gonna do it. I have a route planned that's exactly 1 mile and it should take me right to Tesco's, which is good.
From deep in my soul.
So the run itself is not actually that hard. It's not physically demanding or anything. It just feels like it's a bit of a drag. I'm just waiting for it to end. So yeah, today I was just thinking that I'm gonna have to run 5 times this amount, and that just seems like a long thing. I don't know how to say it best. Anyway, training wise for today, I'm gonna go meet my friend Jan and train some sear wheel at his gym. And then followed by maybe a gym session, I'm not really sure, so should get some cool footage from that. No, you're good. So yes, that was a good 4-hour session. Hopefully I got some cool footage of Jan there. But yeah, let's see. Thank you guys for watching and I'll see you tomorrow.